The 2023 BMW 7 Series M750e, where elegance meets electrified power. One look, and it owns your attention. That massive kidney grille, bold yet refined, flanked by razor-sharp split headlights that cut through the dark like precision blades. Every line across the hood flows with intent, sculpted by aerodynamics and artistry. The side profile, sleek, commanding, wrapped in a paint finish so deep it looks poured, not painted. And those M wheels, they don't just roll, they dominate every inch of asphalt. Move to the rear, and it's pure confidence. The slim LED strip, the M badge whispering performance, the stance wide and purposeful. Step inside, and the world outside fades. The cabin greets you like a private lounge in motion. Merino leather wraps around sculpted seats that cradle you with quiet power. Ambient lighting glows like emotion, shifting tone and intensity with your mood. The curved display flows across the dash. Pure glass, pure innovation, melding digital precision with handcrafted luxury. Every button, every crystal-finished control, feels like it was designed for your fingertips alone. Touch the start button, and the silence speaks louder than sound. The hybrid heart hums awake, smooth, effortless, alive. Glide in electric serenity, or unleash the 3.0-liter turbocharged engine and feel instant torque surge like lightning beneath your command. Every movement is balanced perfection. Adaptive suspension reading the road, steering sharp and intuitive. Confidence flowing through every curve. And for those who ride in the rear, luxury becomes art. A 31-inch 8K theater screen drops from above, turning the cabin into a cinematic escape. Bowers Wilkins surround sound immerses you completely. Soft closed doors, seat massage, fragrance system. Every detail crafted to perfection. The 2023 BMW 7 Series M750e isn't just driven, it's experienced. A masterpiece of performance and presence, where silence has strength and motion feels like magic. This isn't luxury reimagined, it's luxury electrified.